CDSL. So now this looks like the beginning of an uptrend. Before I go down to lower time frames, I would also like to draw my trend lines right here itself, and then clone this same line to basically get my internal trend lines. Very good potential support and resistance as the price unfolds within its trajectory. So now you might think that, hey, CDSL is already at lifetime high. Should I buy? Should I not buy? So don't think of lifetime high, lifetime low in stocks in terms of a linear trajectory. When you do that, right, you're thinking every stock is moving in a channel like this. But that is not true. CDSL does not have this trajectory. CDSL has a very strong sloping trajectory. As per this trajectory, the path which it is following, it has just recovered from the bottom. Now, the underlying trend of CDSL itself is so strong that in completing its correctionary move, it declined only 43% from the peak. And the moment it started off into the new uptrend, by the time it was done with the first leg of upwave, it has already created a new lifetime high compared to the previous peak. However, if you look at the actual upside is all the way to the highest trend line within the trajectory of CDSL.